Hello YouTube, today I'm going to do a quick video. We're going to migrate our Windows vCenter to the VCSA 6.7. So this is going to take a little while, so I'm going to pause and continue the video as I go through the steps. Okay, so my current configuration has the the VMware vSphere Update Manager. As you can see, I got the plugin here, and it's running version 6.7 on my vCenter. I mean, not 6.7, but version 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount the VCSA or the vCenter appliance ISO to the Windows Update Manager first. We're gonna go to the migration assistant, and we're gonna run it on the Update Manager. So we're enter the password. And we're going to let it run. Okay, so it's running this. Okay, so we're ready to go to the vCenter and do the same process. Here are the main steps. So now we're going to open our vCenter. We're going to open the assistant. Same process. It's going to extract and run the scripts. Probably gonna get out this guy. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna launch the actual installer. I don't have any errors, so if you guys run into any errors doing this is in my lab, so I would like for you to share those errors to see. That will be very helpful. So what I'll do is I'm going to choose migrate. If this fails, I will probably do an upgrade and see how that goes, but what I'm doing right now is migrating. Accept the license agreement. We're going to enter our fully qualified domain of this vCenter. That is my vCenter. Fully qualified domain name or password. Now we're gonna choose a host. Choose my yes. Okay, and we're gonna name it VCSA migrated. Gonna set a root password. Excuse the noise in the background. There's cars driving by my house. I live close to the road. Okay. Tiny. My data store. Gonna put it on this one. Oh, it has to have 300 gigs, so that is the requirement. So I will put it on this guy. Okay, and it's gonna stay on that network. Temporary address, I could give it a static address, but I have a DHCP server running, so that's what I will use. And if it was in production, you will probably have to use a static IP address, but for this demonstration I'm gonna do a DHCP. Okay, all our summary, it's correct. Okay, and let's hit on finish. And I'm sure this is gonna take a long time, so what I'll do in the meantime, I will pause the video, and if it fails, I will resume the video and see if you guys can help resolve the issue. Any your suggestions will be very appreciated. So as we can see, it's already been deployed right here. This is our appliance. And we just need to wait. Alright, so it didn't take that long, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna log into the find me at this address is 54, so we're gonna continue. Okay, so let me make this a bit bigger. Okay, so stage 2, we're gonna click next. Okay, so it's finished doing the pre-migration checks, and it's telling me that it's not gonna copy any files or any of the OS patch baselines. So if we're okay with that, we'll just close, and then we're gonna enter our username and password. Okay. Next. So now I'm gonna just do the basic configuration. I'm not gonna transfer any events or tasks or anything else, because it's a new virtual center and I don't want any of this stuff on my new appliance. So I'm gonna go next. Okay, we're gonna join the VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. Next. Okay, and we're gonna check our summary. How about that? Yes. And finish. Okay, so let's hope we don't run into any issues, and when the migration is done, I will resume the video to test our new virtual center appliance 6.7. Alright YouTube, I'm back, and it looks like our vCenter got migrated. So let's close this and let's log in and see There we go. Alright, and it looks like our vCenter is fully functional and no errors. I didn't run into it. I didn't run into any errors, so this was a success. Alright, so that was it. Just wanted to make a quick video about migrating Windows vCenter to a virtual center appliance.